Going to connect now.
Now it's like.
Alright, we're in his den. We're in Arman's house. And
What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? I'm with Salil, and we're doing an FB Live together for the first time. And
actually surprising. He didn't think that he was wondering what I was doing here. He actually came up. But it's awesome. I love your house also, man.
Thank you.
Do you have anything to do with any of the decor?
Well, no. It's my mom's, domain. So she does everything, and she decorates the whole house. It's her thing.
What about your room? That also?
Yeah. We've just told her हम लोग को सोना है. बस आप देख लो क्या करना है, and she does it. But yeah, she knows our taste, and she's done it very well actually. I like the colors in the house very. I like the brown, ochreish, goldenish tinge.
Yeah, I love the color of the guitar also. So Arman, of course, you're one of the most popular artists that there is on social media. And जब आप social media पर होते हो, do you ever feel like too naked?
मैं इतना ज़्यादा भी बाहर नहीं देता हूँ. मेरा खुद का भी एक personal life है which I keep with me.
Yeah.
And I try to keep that as sacred as possible.
Yeah.
It is important. लेकिन I share a lot with my fans. And मुझे लगता है कि this is an amazing thing. The fact that we're able to connect with all our fans and
सीधा प्रसारण.
Direct broadcast is happening right now.
Okay, have there ever been like obsessive girls outside your door?
In the building, obviously.
Yeah.
Niche, they have been on the main entrance and.
Arman, to the scream, to the tear.
I recently experienced this. I was getting out of a restaurant, a Chinese restaurant. I just had my dinner. And मैं गाड़ी के अंदर just जा रहा ही था, and there was a horde of girls who recognized that I've just come out from the restaurant.
Sweet.
So they were shouting all across the road, and these rickshaw walas are all looking at me. ये कौन है अभी? ये कौन है? So they have not obviously seen me because of social media.
Yeah.
They're not so connected.
No, but Bombay they cool like that. If they see कोई तो होगा जाके selfie
जाके देख लेते हैं हाँ sir एक picture. So they were confused कि क्या हो रहा है, and there was this horde of girls coming, and I just had to quietly put my hoodie on and go into the car. So that was one of my
most insane request that a lady fan has ever asked you for, apart from marriage. वो तो आया होगा.
That's the most weirdest thing ever, and at this age, it's marriage only.
Yeah, marriage only.
Marriage only.
And proper proposal to your house.
A proper proposal to they.
We'll keep reconnecting. Don't take stress. Yeah, don't worry. We'll keep going on. Okay, so we've obviously got a guitar in the hand over here,
Yes.
and the world wants to hear you sing. Which one are we going to? We've got, by the way, Baar Baar Dekho. Going to come up very soon today, but I want to hear that unplugged version of Suraj Dubai a little bit.
Suraj Dubai. Okay, let's do it.
So there's an unplugged version that he sang for us. For all our B4U viewers, it's going to be there on Star Stop. You're going to hear this, man. Awesome.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी कुछ बात गलत भी हो जाए कुछ देर ये दिल भी खो जाए बेफिक्र धड़कने इस तरह से चले शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ सूरज डूबा यारो नशे के मारो रास्ते मुड़ा लो सारे घर बार के सूरज डूबा यारो नशे के मारो हम तुम मुड़ा लो सारे संसार I want to thank Amal for this song. Such a beautiful song, made me go into a trance. Thank you, Amal.
I want to thank them for this song.
Okay, wait,
Yes.
Amal's.
He's coming. This is my way.
Amal.
My eyes too red to be part of this video.
It's cool. It's live anyway, so they see your red eyes.
Yeah, then that's.
But it's sweet, man. What I love. Who's your guitaring idol? Do you have a guitaring idol?
Idol. John Mayer is a guitarist come singer, so I love John Mayer. He does this thing for it.
Have you slept enough today? Not at all. I like it.
Try कर रहा था.
तुझे नीचे बैठना क्या या फिर ये और पीछे चले जाए? Okay, so they see that's the two boys. They're very hard working. They've been working online. What are you working on?
MS Dhoni.
I love the trailer.
Today. You see
Yeah,
that?
they showed it. They
Even
showed it.
even I've not seen it.
Kick-ass trailer. Fantastic trailer. Sushant Singh is looking really good.
Lovely.
So yeah, because I've come straight from the screening of that trailer.
Oh.
And you've seen it. Okay, so there's also another song that's out.
मैं बैठ जाता हूँ.
Yes. Saw Asman has just come out today, And
So this is actually one of the first interviews. I think it is the first interview for the song.
yes, let's.
So-
You want to do it?
Yeah, you.
What? Yeah,
So
yeah,
awesome, man.
why not?
Okay. Wait.
Tough song to do. I like the chemistry between the two of them, man.
Which? No,
Yeah,
no,
what?
this is cool. अच्छा, ऐसा कभी किया नहीं है.
One sec. कौन सा?
Katrina's looking very hot. In a bikini. Not too many look so hot in a bikini. It looks natural.
Yeah.
चलो.
Okay, cool.
Brothers in the house. This is for the first time ever, huh?
आँखों को तेरी आदत है, तू देखे ना तो इन्हें शिकायत है। आँखों को तेरी आदत है, तू देखे ना तो इन्हें शिकायत है। बिन छुए छू लिए तूने मुझको दिए प्यार के तराने जाने आ। ये जो अब हो रहा है कुछ अजब हो रहा है, क्या यही प्यार का है एहसास। 100 आसमानों को और 2 जानों को छोड़ के आया तेरे पास। 100 आसमानों को और 2 जानों को छोड़ के आया तेरे पास।
Picture का time है. It's time to cast them in a film. Musical journey of the Manik brothers. Super, loved it. And looking forward to seeing more of you guys. And thanks so much, buddy, for joining me today.
Thank you.
Thank you for
And
servicing,
For
bro.
randomly
Yeah.
coming.
surprise visit.
But it was awesome. So I'll see you guys soon. And like we said, there'll be an entire extended version of this interview with Arman, this lovely star stop. And like I said, we missed each other in London, but we managed to catch him over here in his house. So see you soon. Take care.